What's up, guys? My name is Garrett. I'm the Chief Content Creator for Travelear, and welcome to our Kickstarter. Our world and its soundscape is changing. The sounds of our planet that we hear today may be gone tomorrow. That's why we want to map the world the way that we hear it in 3D audio. Now, my partner Nick already got the ball rolling by developing and releasing the Travelear app on the App Store. There you can listen to 42 unique 3D soundscapes I've recorded around the world, all for free. This is where we need your help. Our goal with this campaign comes in two parts. One, build the web version of the Travelear app so everyone has access to our library of 3D soundscapes. Also integrating accessibility for our friends in the blind and low vision community. Two, start the Content Creators Program, where we'll teach you how to create your own 3D soundscapes and contribute to the Travelear library. Now, you're probably still wondering, what is 3D audio? Well, 3D audio is audio recorded the same way that we hear. And to do that, we use a special microphone called a 3D binaural microphone, like this guy right here. It's about the size of a human head and even has ears on both sides where the microphones are. You can check out some of the 3D soundscapes I recorded using this microphone in the section below. Thanks for considering backing our project. And remember, our world and its soundscape is constantly evolving. And we need your help to preserve these unique bookmarks in our shared history. Thanks for watching. Now put your headphones on and enjoy some of the work we've done so far.